Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics. Charge your Beats, power them on, and open Bluetooth in System Settings. Once done, put the headphones into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button until the LED flashes. Make sure your Mac's Bluetooth is enabled and visible. If not, toggle it off and on. You're starting pairing now so you can avoid later audio routing steps. Keep the headphones within 6 feet of the Mac, and don't try to pair through other devices at the same time. You should see Beats Studio Pro listed under Available Devices. Click Connect and wait for the status to change to Connected. Once connected, open Sound Settings and explicitly choose Beats as the output, and if needed, input device so the Mac sends audio and captures mic correctly. If there's latency or dropouts, make sure no heavy Wi-Fi interference or other Bluetooth devices are active. Also check that macOS is up to date. Firmware compatibility prevents odd behavior, so update. Now test by playing audio and using the mic in a call or recording app. Adjust volume and noise control from the menu bar or system settings to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, you're done. Your Mac should auto-reconnect when both Bluetooth and the headphones are on. If it doesn't, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Reset the Beats by holding power plus volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Remove the device from Bluetooth list on the Mac, then repair from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.